Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. We are going to discuss a negative case law on maintenance. So we all know maintenance can be filed as a case of CRPC under section 125, as in the case of CPC under section 24. Likewise, domestic violence section 5, all these things it is there. But whether the spouse who is qualified and who is doing job is entitled compensation or the so-called maintenance from the other spouse or not. Simply to say, భార్య భర్త. సహజంగా మీకు గతంలో కూడా చెప్పాను, ది హస్బెండ్ ఈవెన్ దో హీస్ అ రిక్షా పుల్లర్, వెన్ హీఈస్ ఏబుల్ బాడీడ్ మ్యాన్ హీ హ్యాస్ టు మెయింటైన్ హిస్ వైఫ్. దిస్ ఈస్ ద బేసిక్ థియరీ. ఖచ్చితంగా భర్త అనేవాడు రిక్షా పుల్లర్ అయినా సరే భార్యని పోషించాలి, అడుక్కు తినేవాడు అయినా సరే భార్యని పోషించాలి, అంటే మెయింటెనెన్స్ ఇవ్వాలి. కానీ కొన్ని సందర్భాలు ఇవ్వక్కర్లేదు. ఒకటి ఇక్కడ మీకు 125లో కూడా చెప్తాను, 24 HM యాక్ట్లో కూడా, when the person is not able to maintain himself or herself. సహజంగా ఎక్కువ ఆడవాళ్ళది కాబట్టి when the woman or when the wife is not able to maintain herself, yes, she can claim for the compensation. When she is able to maintain herself, when she is able to do some job, when she is doing job and stopped it for the purpose of claiming maintenance from the husband, then it is horrible. అదే ఇక్కడ జరిగింది. So we'll go to the case. This simply KN versus RG. KN versus RG in family court matter in appeal number 93/2018, which occurred before the Delhi High Court. The judgment was given on 12/2/2019 by a single judge. Right? So here she filed a case of maintenance under section 24 of the HM Act 1955 in the Marriage Act. So please remember, so husband is working in Singapore. Actually the marriage took place on 24/6/2012 and they no children, and they started living separately from 3/9/2022. From 3/9/12, that means just 3 months only they stayed together. The husband was working in Singapore and he is earning lakhs of rupees in called dollars, right? So this victim, that is the wife, went to Singapore, but she could not stay. Whatever differences cropped up between them, and she came back and they were separated and they are fighting with each other. Ultimately she filed a claim for compensation, right? But the husband filed his reply stating that she is a head in an MNC company, multinational company, and drawing 1 lakh rupees per month. Is she really in need of maintenance? No doubt there are differences. No doubt the husband has to maintain. But when she is able to maintain herself, before marriage itself she was employed in a multinational company, and even post marriage she is continuing the job and earning 1 lakh per month. But of course she did not bring it online. Husband gave evidence regarding that. So please remember, when the wife is highly qualified, when she has got the capacity to earn, even she cannot withdraw from the job saying that I have to be maintained by my husband. So the law does not expect her to sit idle and burden the husband with maintenance. This is the important word. No doubt, as per law, every able-bodied person has a duty to maintain his wife who is unable to maintain herself. But law does not expect her to sit idle and burden the husband with maintenance, right? Because merely husband is earning in dollars, she is not entitled to the so-called interim maintenance claimed by the so-called covering her salary. She has not disclosed her salary. He has found out. Of course, nowadays with the help of the computers it is easy to find out whether the woman is working at certain place or not, and this happened. So in such a case, the Delhi High Court clearly stated that when spouse is qualified and has capacity to earn, then interim maintenance cannot be granted. Very good case law. So please remember the case law and you can cite it in times of necessity. Okay, thank you very much.